Quite often, our customers would like to combine data from multiple Excel files into one file, for example, comma-denominated file. So let me show you what we have here. So we have multiple files with multiple sheets. And what we want to do, we want to create one CSV file which contains the data from every single file within directory and from every single sheet from those files. So let me show how it can be done. Let's start from new transformation. Let's call it append, or should we call it combine? Combine. I think convert. Excel into sometimes it is difficult to find an appropriate name for fantastic software. So what we need to do, we need to set reader properties. So we're loading data from Excel files. And we need to say that we're actually using the mask because we are loading data from multiple files. So the mask for one header. And we also loading data from multiple sheets. Again, need to set the mask. Let's reformat it slightly. Don't need the last column and say fill names. But we don't need to validate anything. And we'll be writing our data to comma-denominated file, ETF format, and we call it result.csv. Overwrite and create header. What also we want to do is to copy the field names, and we'll add some more field names. For example, we'll add file name, and we call field name as well. And next step is to map the data, and we also need to add metadata transformation. So from the first one, we'll get source file name. And from the second one, we'll get table name. It's table name. Yes, it is a table name. Actually working. So let's transform it lightly because we just want the file name, we not want the path. Okay, I should create a file name. Yes. Okay, cool. Now we have the file name. We can also remove extension if it is what we want, but in this case, not really want it. So let's run it. Save it first. Well, running is rather easy. All we need to do is to press green arrow. And we have 12 records in total. Let's see what we have. So we have, so working fine. So we have file name. So we have 2 files. We have 3 different sheets. One file has 2 sheets, another one just one called cards. Right, excellent. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please go to our support forum and just ask it there. We'll do our best to help you. And remember, all I need to do is to ask. Thank you. Bye.